I'm going to cut my cat's nails, and this is how I do it. Well, it's my first time. So I just kind of got to lay her down. Wait, let me. Okay, wait. You stay right there. You stay right there. Okay. So I just got a regular nail clipper, and I get her paws, and I take her claws out. I don't know if you can see it, but I get at the tip because if you cut at the edge of the nail, that pinkish part, that will be very painful to the cat because that's like the blood where it goes. And you just cut it like that. And you push behind the little toe thing so that the claw can come out, and it holds it right there. And so it won't hurt the cat. You cut it at the tip. So yeah, and I do that to the rest, and she's perfect. Her name is Shadow, and my other cat's name is Fawn, and I still need to cut her nails too. Hope this will help you with your cat claw problems. See you later.